Well, my topic for today's assembly is World Environment Day. When do we celebrate World Environment Day? The answer is 5th of June every year with a different theme. Well, the theme for World Environment Day 2021 is Ecosystem Restoration. What is ecosystem? An ecosystem is a system consisting of biotic and abiotic components that function together as a unit. Biotic components consist of all living things like plants, animals, microorganisms, human beings, etc. Abiotic components consist of all non-living things like air, water, sunlight, land, etc. Why do we need to restore the ecosystem? Various human activities affect the ecosystem and destroy their balance. Some of the activities are: number 1, environmental pollution. Example, air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, etc. Number 2, climate change. Example, global warming. Global warming causes an increase in temperature, increase in ocean levels, etc., which disrupt the balance of ecosystem. Number 3, land clearing. Increase in human population increase the need of land clearing for housing, agriculture, and other activities. This destroys the balance of ecosystem. Number 4, population decline in animals. Overhunting and overfishing destroys the balance in the ecosystem. It decreases the population of some particular animal and affects the ecosystem. In view of all these factors, the need to restore the ecosystem arises. We need to maintain the balance of the ecosystem for the future generation. Hence, the theme ecosystem restoration is the need of the hour. So let's join together to make the earth a better place to live. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe. Have a nice day.